The Battle of Badr, the first and most decisive battle in Islamic history. It was fought on the 17th of Ramadan in the second year after Hijrah, a battle that changed the course of Islam forever. The Muslims were only 313, facing over 1,000 warriors of Quraysh. But with firm faith in Allah they stood strong, and among them was the Lion of Allah, Imam Ali. At just 25 years old, Imam Ali fought bravely and was responsible for killing several key enemies, including Walid ibn Utbah, striking fear into the hearts of Quraysh. Imam Ali stood as the shield of the Prophet, proving that true faith, courage and sacrifice can overcome any enemy, no matter how big. The victory of Badr reminds us that when we stand with truth and justice, Allah's help is near. Let's remember the bravery of Imam Ali and the companions and strive to be firm in our own battles of life.